Okay, this one here, I stopped the video from the first one, so video B. This one you can see negative 2x plus 2x, that's a 0. And then negative 4y plus 4y, that would be 0. And then 10 minus 10, that would be 0. Well, shoot, I'm left with zeros. Well, the reason that is because both of these are on the same line. They're the same line. Okay? So, I mean, you can see just the symbols are reversed from one side to the 10, negative 10. So if they're zeros, that means they're both going to be the same line. So this is an infinite number of answers because every single point would be the answer. Okay, so they're both the same line. So that's a good example of that type of problem. But here you can see you don't have to always try to eliminate the x. You can see here the y can be eliminated. I got 2y minus 2y, that would be 0. So here if that's 0, I have to do the rest here down. I got 6x plus 2x, that would be 8x. Plus 0 equals negative 4 plus 12, that would be 8. So you can see here the 0, the y is eliminated. So I got 8x equals 8. So 8 times what equals 8? Well, people see that's 1, or 8 divided by 8 is going to be 1. So x equals 1. So if I know the x is 1, well, then I can plug it in up here. 2 times 1 plus 2y equals negative 4. So now I can find the y, since I know the x. So 2 plus 2y equals negative 4. So isolate the y, so I can move the 2 over. Minus 2, minus 2. So 2y equals negative 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2, so the y equals negative 6, divided by 2 is negative 3. Yep, okay. So this would be, the answer to number 4 would be, x would be 1, and the y would be negative 3. That's where the two lines will cross over. Okay, the next two, number 5 and 6, again you can see here negative 2, positive 2, those will cancel out the y, so you do, that's how you do number 5. Same thing with number 6. You can see here the y, positive 2y, negative 2y, so the y's will cancel out and you're left with the x and this over here. But number 7 is where this starts. It kind of divides right here. What if it's not an obvious one? If you go here, 7x minus 2, that's 5x. And then here, negative 12y minus 4y, that's 16. That's 16y equals 22. So does it work on this one, the elimination? Well, no, but there's a way to set it up to make it work. Okay, sometimes it's obvious, like 1 through 6, but here there's another step before we can do the elimination. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and work these out, and I'll show you those.